Have you ever wondered what happens to your trash after it's picked up? For decades, the answer was simple and grim. It ended up in a landfill, a growing mountain of forgotten waste. But what if we could change that narrative? What if waste wasn't an endpoint, but a new beginning? The circular economy is transforming how we view waste. No longer a problem to bury or burn indiscriminately, it becomes a valuable resource, powering our cities, fueling our industries, and building stronger communities. Waste-to-energy plants are at the very heart of this incredible, sustainable transformation. They are the engines turning our trash into treasure, and they're building the foundation for a cleaner, smarter future. The magic of waste-to-energy within a circular economy rests on three core principles. First is resource recovery. Before anything else, we extract valuable materials like metals, glass, and other recyclables from the waste stream. Second is energy maximization. The remaining non-recyclable waste is then converted into electricity and heat, providing a reliable source of power. And third, and perhaps most importantly, is minimized landfill dependency. By using our waste this way, we drastically reduce the amount sent to landfills, which cuts down on harmful methane emissions and prevents soil and water contamination. It's all about closing the loop. Waste-to-energy ensures that what we throw away doesn't just disappear. It becomes a continuous input for new energy and materials, creating a cycle of regeneration. After the energy recovery process, the story isn't over. Sophisticated systems, sometimes using robotic arms and AI, sift through the remaining ash to find even more valuable materials. Recovered metals like aluminum and steel are sent back into manufacturing streams, ready to become new products. The leftover bottom ash can be processed and used as a safe and durable material for constructing roads or making cement, which reduces our need to mine for virgin resources. Even tricky materials like certain plastics, when sorted correctly, can be given a new purpose. They can be converted into a synthetic gas or syngas, which can then fuel chemical processes or generate even more power. In a truly circular system, every single ton of waste becomes a rich portfolio of reusable energy and materials. The energy produced by these plants doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's woven directly into the fabric of our cities. Think of district heating grids, where excess heat from the plant is piped directly to homes and businesses, keeping them warm in the winter. The electricity generated can power streetlights, homes, and public buildings, making our cities brighter and more resilient. Industrial facilities can also tap into this energy, using the steam and electricity to run their operations. This integration is key. It maximizes efficiency, reduces our reliance on fossil fuels, and helps stabilize local power grids, making our energy supply more secure and sustainable for everyone. The benefits of this circular approach are massive, touching on economic, environmental, and social aspects of our lives. Economically, these plants generate revenue from selling electricity and heat. They also profit from the sale of recovered materials like metals and reduce the massive costs associated with landfilling waste. Environmentally, the impact is profound. We see a huge reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, especially methane from landfills. We conserve natural resources by recycling materials, and we prevent the pollution that leaches from traditional dumps. Socially, these facilities create jobs in engineering, operations, and material sorting. They contribute to cleaner urban environments and help build sustainable, self-reliant local economies. A circular waste-to-energy system is truly a win-win-win strategy. But technology alone isn't enough to make this vision a reality. Smart policies and active community participation are absolutely crucial for success. Governments can create incentives that encourage households and businesses to recycle more and separate their waste effectively. They can also establish clear regulations that set strict emission limits for plants and ensure they operate in a sustainable, compliant manner. At the same time, public engagement is vital. Awareness campaigns can educate citizens on the importance of proper recycling, fostering a sense of shared responsibility and maximizing the quality of materials recovered. A truly successful circular waste-to-energy system is a powerful collaboration between advanced technology, forward-thinking policy, and an engaged society working together. This isn't just a futuristic dream. Cities all over the world are already demonstrating the power of circular waste-to-energy. In Copenhagen, Denmark, a state-of-the-art plant not only recovers metals, but also provides district heating to thousands of homes, all while being a public landmark with a ski slope on its roof. Vienna, Austria, has perfected an integrated system that combines meticulous material recycling with energy recovery, bringing the city incredibly close to a zero landfill reality. In Osaka, Japan, advanced gasification technology is paired with AI-controlled recycling systems to create highly optimized resource loops. These global examples prove that the circular economy isn't a theoretical concept. It's a practical, effective, and operational reality today, and the future looks even more exciting. The next generation of waste-to-energy plants will be even smarter, integrating artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things to further optimize every step of the process. Imagine fully autonomous systems that sort materials with near-perfect accuracy and energy grids that instantly adapt to demand. Innovations like carbon capture technology, which traps CO2 emissions before they enter the atmosphere, are already being piloted. The ultimate goal is a zero-waste city, where next-generation circular plants don't just manage waste, they eliminate it, generating clean energy and providing a continuous stream of resources that sustain our urban ecosystems indefinitely. By embracing the principles of the circular economy, waste-to-energy is no longer just a disposal method. It becomes a cornerstone of sustainable urban planning. In this new paradigm, waste transforms from a persistent challenge into a valuable resource stream, powering a cleaner, greener, and more prosperous future for all of us. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on sustainable innovations.